Okay guys, we got a package from Jubayal Vita, Jakarta City. This should be a Nutricost L-Theanine Green Tea 200 mg stress, relax, focus, and calm mood. The package is good from all sides, and this is the items and the prices. Live view. This is the things. Okay. 120 caps, and theanine is a kind of asam amino acid to reduce your stress and improve your focus. Okay, let's open this. The package is very efficient and good. I love it. Empty. This is it. Nutricost suggested use and third party tested, non-GMO, gluten free. Nutricost.com. This is original, yeah. You can feel on the bottle if this is original, and the printing is special. You can see the differentiate between fake and original things from Nutricost L-Theanine 200 mg. This is the chemical module capsule, and 1 day, one capsule. Okay. Supplement fact. Theanine 200 mg and has some add ingredients like rice flour, magnesium, microcrystallite, and gelatin capsule. Okay, this is some certified in here, and let's see inside. This is the plastic seal to show that that's a very hygiene and good. And this is the seal, anti-air seal. Let's really just open this. We'll open this with with my old cutter. Wow, really hard to open. Wow. At least we can open it. You can see inside. White tablet. Let's see. Make it one up. Don't forget to close again to improve the lifetime. This I bring some plate so we can see the capsule and the inside. Oh, the capsule is transparent. As you can see, this is like a white dust in here. You can taste it. I will taste it. Plain. No odor. Plain, rather sweet. Transparent plastic, right? Things. Okay, so this is it. L-Theanine 200 mg per serving by Nutricost. Thank you for watching.